We are pleased to show you the 2008 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, push button start. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.